Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Zai and you're watching My Life's Diaries. So for today's video, pupunta kami ng town center para mag-open ng aking first UK bank account. So later, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung mga documents na kinailangan ko to open up a savings account. And unfortunately, ngayon medyo umuulan. Hopefully, tumila na siya para makaalis kami na mas maaga. See you there! Where are we heading? Uh-huh. I regret wearing dress. I thought it's not gonna be this bad. Is it raining? Can you open it? I'm sorry. Yeah. No, maybe later after the bank. They might just direct us to do it online.
Just tell me the issue you have in.
I don't get, why do you need my tax ID? Because I'm not going to pay my tax in the Philippines anymore.
You have to tell me about who's
Yeah, but it's a different tax ID. It's like property tax ID, not my PIN ID.
We'll tell them that and then we'll...
And I don't have my property tax ID with me. Oh, I mean, the umbrella. Oh, this one? Oh, we're here at Barclays. I cannot video it inside.
Eto na, after namin pumunta sa bank, sinabi nila na tax is about personal tax only. Actually, nag-register na kami via Barclays app for the savings account. At ito yung mga documents na hinangi. May BRP card and passport, tapos picture with the ID. Then they will send you a letter in the mail with a code. They will do that to verify the address kasi. So after a few days, I got the letter with a code. Then I proceeded with the application. Pero may question kasi na, are you a taxpayer to any country other than the UK? At saka yung mga example nila is, if may work ka sa ibang bansa or may property ka. Meron din kasi akong property sa Pilipinas na binabayaran. Binabayaran ko yung mga property tax na yun. So, yun yung nagkaroon ng confusion. Kaya kami pumunta sa branch. Pero kinlarify naman ni branch na ang kailangan ko lang mag-say yes doon kung may trabaho ako at nagbabayad ako ng personal tax. Mabilis lang kami sa branch and since nandito na kami, dumaan na din kami sa pinaka-mall nila. So, yung nakikita nyo na parang glass, yan yung pinaka-mall nila. So, ganyan lang kaliit. Kumpara dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Ang laki-laki ng mall. At also, dito sa UK, ang weird ng mga tindahan dito kasi nagsasara sila ng, if I'm not mistaken, 5 p.m. from Mondays to Fridays. Pag Saturday, half day lang sila at saka pag Sunday, close naman. So since nandito na tayo, mamimili na rin kami sa Poundland. So I'll show you some of the items we found in here.
Oh, the milk chocolate thing. Ta-da! That one. But I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. What's this? I don't know. Oh yeah, Pringles. I want Pringles. Because diba you're gonna eat Pringles? Oh, buy your Pringles. Roast chicken, rosemary mine.
Oh.
Ay, that's your favorite, prawn taco.
Yeah.
Hot and spicy.
Should we get a basket?
Yeah. Take this. This is £2. Ketchup and it's £2. It says there. So later you will be buying it again. Okay. Some cookies. Diba there is like a sale somewhere at the middle? The lotion that I'm using, it dries up my skin.
All the skin products that are
Cocoa butter. Yeah, the dress.
Oh, you're opening it first.
No, it's expensive. Oh, you don't have anything that like that. The dishwashing
I
liquid.
already ordered it.
Oh, you already ordered. Great. Good job.
I also ordered some popcorn because we wanted to
Popcorn. Please. Oh, map. Oh, that map. Oh, yeah. But this is not the great one. It should be something that same as mine.
probably have to order that online.
You know what? We need hanger, honey. The hanger that has like this. The hanger that you have is like without that.
Wait, what?
Without this. It's just like this.
Yeah.
Is it expensive? This is not. Anything like this. Like this
It's a
cheap.
bit small, but
Is this small?
yeah.
Let's buy in Amazon.
Small storage.
What storage? Ah, yeah, that one. You never use it. Oh, I hope there is a charger for my iPhone.
What type is it?
iPhone. I don't know. It doesn't have type. Doesn't have type.
It's not gonna be that one. See.
iPhone. Ni bulb.
Extension.
Extension again? Why?
No, I'm just looking.
These are the things that you have to buy. The driller.
This one's
What's this? Winter gray. I want white. Pink. Ah, It's all gray. Wait. Wait.
Same pack.
Yeah, get one.
No, they're same pack, so I don't know.
Coated cream. Chalk finish. No, I don't like chalk finish. I want white.
Yeah.
There is no white.
No, yeah.
It's, what's this? Oriental pink. This.
No.
That's not white.
Gray.
It's gray. Winter gray. Two bucks. Yeah, I need a decent cup. Oh, it's so cute. How much is this?
Don't know. Say on the bottom.
Doesn't have. It's cute. Hmm.
Should be prices on. Oh, £4. What's the four?
4 pack. Only 4 pack. Where's the pack?
I don't know. That makes sense.
Oh,
So I don't know all these single ones.
yeah, this one. I like this one. Or the pink.
I don't know what the price is.
How will we know?
I thought it'd be on the bottom.
$250? This one is $250. Why is so expensive?
How was it?
Oh, it's 3.
What? £3.
It's so expensive. We need to have like a glass.
I don't know.
Why not?
It's best I'd rather order online. So
It's online.
so it doesn't break.
Online?
Yeah.
Where online? I don't like that. I want metal. Stainless steel. I don't like non-stick. Yes, please, yes. Yes, please.
Which one?
You don't like this? Or this?
Should it be a pet or not just one?
150. What's that? How much is that?
£5.
5 pounds. Oh. Oh, this one is.
I'm not using that. Don't you need two?
Yes, 2.
Shouldn't
It's
be a
4
pet.
pounds. Can you just buy it online? What's this? Oh,
jars.
cutting board. No, not that. Sorry. Food storage. But they are all plastic.
Stuff like this was on there. Kind of small.
You don't have foil anymore. Are you going to buy foil? Kitchen
Yeah,
foil.
mine's small.
Kitchen
I
foil.
want to get the big one.
Yep. 8 meters. 1 pound. Shovel. Cheap shovel.
This is going to be
There. Tongs.
those are goats you can't use.
What, the which one?
Them kind of goats.
You said it's cheap. I just need a shovel nga. There's no shovel here. I don't think this will work.
So it's time to dig up soil, so
Yeah, it's in between the tiles. Those were in
That's
between.
what we kill for that. You can't dig them up yourself and grab them because they'll just snap at the leaves.
Yeah.
It's better just weed kill.
Online again. It's already on my cart. We will. Hey, here. What's this?
You can have stuff for barbecue.
We'll be making barbecue. Oh. Huh?
That's what we have to do.
Yeah. I'll turn it off. Thanks, bye. It's all his, not
Oh,
mine.
yeah.
It's all his. It's all his food.
Yeah, sure.
At tapos na nga kaming mamili. So, ipapakita ko lang yung mga available store na meron dito sa mall nila. Ground floor lang talaga yung may mga store na pwede mong bilihan. Yung sa second floor kasi, as far as I know, it's just a cafe. So, walang masyadong makikita dun. So, ayun lang. Kumpara sa mall kasi natin, napakaliit nito. Wala pa sa 1/4 ng mall natin sa Pilipinas. Siguro kaya tayo laging nabubudol, no, sa Pilipinas kasi imagine mo, yung mall natin until 10 p.m. So, talaga ma-encourage kang bumili. Tapos, Monday to Sunday pa yun ha, partida. Dito, Monday to Friday hanggang 5 p.m. Tapos, pag Saturday, half day lang at sarado ng Sunday. So, kung pumapasok ka ng Monday to Friday, makakapamili ka lang. Best option is Saturday. At dito ko natatapusin. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Paalam!